I always use this analogy. Imagine you're one of those people that loves to go skydiving. Now, I know most of you probably don't go skydiving because when push comes to shove, it's too scary. But what an amazing feeling it would be if you on the federal government for your retirement. You cannot rely on your company's pension plan. How many millions and millions of people have to get screwed by waiting for that? Your 401k is tied to the stock market. What if the stock market completely crashes? Robert Kiyosaki wrote a book years ago called The Prophecy. Everyone knows Rich Dad, Poor Dad. A lot of people know Rich Dad's Business School. No one talks about the prophecy. You know why? Because it doesn't predict. It guarantees a global stock market crash. No one wants to hear that. Well, you know what? If you have a second parachute and everybody else is freaking out in retirement, what's your second parachute? Your network marketing income. Tell me that that doesn't make complete sense. And if that doesn't make complete sense to you, you can stop. They've been in for 27 years, goes bankrupt, goes out of business. Instead of them being totally screwed because the one parachute didn't work, they just pull the other ripcord and all of a sudden, whatever they have. If their part-time income through your networking company had been $1,200 or $1,300 a month, now at least they have something coming in that they can build up even more aggressively if indeed they go into a tragic situation like that. The bottom line, guys, is we have an amazing industry. The bottom line is we have the opportunity, and everyone should at least look at it. If they don't want to do it, that's fine, but you have to invite with pride that we have something that could literally save someone's life down the road. Now, if you think that's crazy, that's cool. If you want to make fun of me, that's cool. But years from now, if and when the stock market completely crashes, if and when jobs go away like crazy, if and when there's all kinds of people stranded because they trusted their company and trusted government, and you got involved in networking, and you got dozens or hundreds or thousands of people involved in networking, and that whole group is way better off, then I don't care how much fun you make of me today. The bottom line is I'm giving you a very sound thing to think very seriously about, so you're proud when you're invited.